Hello, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video, I will show you how to make light, soft, and delicious ricotta gnocchi. This recipe serves 5 to 7 people. These are the ingredients: 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 450 grams of ricotta cheese, 1 large whole egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 cup of lukewarm water. Begin by lining 1 large tray with parchment paper and dusting it with some flour. Set it aside. Add the flour in the middle of your work surface and make a well in the center. Add the ricotta and spread it out with a fork. Add the eggs, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. The olive oil adds flavor, softness, and elasticity to the dough. Mix with a fork. Gradually mix in the flour. Add the lukewarm water in gradually while mixing. Continue mixing with a pastry cutter. Once all the water has been added, bring the dough together with your hands. It will be messy and the dough will be sticky, but don't worry, it will all hold together well. Once the dough holds together, begin kneading by pressing and pushing the dough forward with the heel of your hand. Rotate the dough as you are kneading it. Dust with extra flour if it feels sticky. Knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes until it feels soft and smooth. It should not feel sticky to the touch. Once the dough is ready, cut off small pieces at a time. Keep the rest of the dough covered to prevent it from drying out. Roll the dough into 1/2-inch thick ropes. Cut the ropes into 3/4 inch pieces and dust with flour to prevent sticking. In this video, I am using a small wooden gnocchi board to shape my gnocchi. Roll each piece of dough down the wooden board with your thumb. This simple gadget adds ridges to the gnocchi. If you don't have this tool, you may use a fork or a cheese grater. Once the gnocchi are shaped, mix them up with the flour and place them on the prepared tray. If you are not eating the gnocchi right away, freeze them in the tray for 1 hour. And this is what I will be doing. After 1 hour, once they are frozen solid, transfer them in a Ziploc bag and seal them. They can be frozen for up to 2 months. When you want to cook them, simply drop them frozen into a large pot of boiling water. They will take only a few minutes to cook. They will be ready once they float. Drain them and serve them with your favorite sauce. I hope that you enjoy making and eating these gnocchi as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Take care, and I'll see you next time.